Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and what's going on? We're looking at SLP making some amazing moves, right? We've seen SLP finally making amazing moves. This is crazy. This is absolutely incredible. What I look in the chart is something of beauty. This is a piece of beauty. This should be absolutely be put in a museum, okay? It's so beautiful. I want to picture this thing. I want to take a screenshot, and I wanted this to be in the museum one day so that the future people can come in and say, where was SLP? And we're going to say SLP used to be a shitcoin. What did that shitcoin do? And I'm going to say that shitcoin made a bull cross. And that shitcoin made a bull cross, okay? It's a shitcoin that makes a bull cross. Damn, that's lovely. It's really amazing because the 55 are crossing, the 10 are crossing, the 20 is crossing. Because when you talk about the bear cross, look what happened the last time when you had a bear cross, okay? When you had a bear cross, everything went down to death, okay? So this was probably where you had that bear cross here, went to death, okay? You had a bear cross there, went to death. Now keep in mind, we might not get a little bit excited or over ourselves at the moment, because this bull cross sometimes, EMAs are lagging indicators, understand this, okay? These lines that you see, they're lagging indicators, so we cannot rely on them, but it's still always amazing to see a bull cross, okay, nonetheless, because in here you did actually make that cross, but you end up coming down. Try to make the cross again, but you end up coming down again, which takes me to this conclusion that we need to backtest the EMAs of the bull cross and actually passing the retest of the EMA. Do you get that point? Do you get the point? You crossed it, you made a bull cross, come down, backtest the EMAs, you're good to go to the upside. So that's exactly what you want to see right now, okay? You've made the bull cross, amazing, but the backtest should hold. If it does come down here, it's not a bad thing. If it does come to 4882 or something, it's not really a bad thing. But if you end up coming down to even 416, down to these levels like this, then that's just a fake out to the upside, and again you're gonna be trapped just like you have trapped previously that I've shown you right now. So that's pretty much it. I've already talked about the scenario of breaking up this bear flag. Once it's going to do that, we're going to talk about the potential of a 60% to 0.01. And that's it for today's update on SLP. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz. But there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.